Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys very rich and delicious sauce called garden egg sauce. So guys can see my garden egg here. See the one I sliced that I want to use it for sauce. Here I have tomato slice, onion, pepper and seasoning. So guys can see it. Green that egg. You get two types. Get another one, that white one. But this green one is very rich and delicious. So let's start to prepare our garden egg sauce. I've already put oil on the fire to do it sharp and you see how yummy it is. Let's start. I see the oil on the fire. I'll now pour my onion, tomato and pepper. You fry it before you put your live garden egg. So you allow the tomato to fry a little bit before you put the garden egg. You now put your seasoning. You use it. Make sure boil your yam or Irish potato to take eat it. It's very yummy. See the egg is sliced. You now add it. Wow, it's a very yummy sauce. If you use it and eat yam, you enjoy it very well. It's a simple menu. I just want to show you guys. Just allow it to fry together like 5 minutes, then you off the light. Don't allow the garden egg to be very soft. Wow. See the garden egg sauce. Slice your tomato, onion, then put your vegetable oil on the fire. Then you fry them together with pepper and season it. Wow. You can see it now. It's done as it is like this. Just test it, you see. It's done. And now off the light. Don't allow the garden egg to be very done. Wow, see my yam. I'll eat with it. Now put it by the side. It's very yummy sauce. Wow, can see? Wow, I see it. Cut the yam and eat it with together. But to me, I like to use my hand, wash my hand very well, and you eat it with it. Wow, I see. It's hot though. Wow, see my sister enjoying it. Hey, let me tell you, I like to eat it like this. It's very sweet. No garden egg, this one, it get a bitter taste, but that bitter taste is nice. So that is all for garden egg sauce with boiled yam. You can even use boiled potato and eat it. Anyone you like. Boiled plantain, you can use it and eat. It's very yummy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, comment for it, share it to a loved one. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Thank you so much. I know you guys have been trying for me, for my view and subscribe. Please keep helping me. I really appreciate you guys. See you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.